Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be bleaching my hair using the Manic Panic Flash Lightning Bleach Kit. This is the 30 volume. I'm not a professional, but I have been doing my hair for, like 8 years now, so I know what works for me. And I'm just going to show you guys how I bleach my hair. Your best bet is if you don't want to bleach hair very much, and you should only be using like a 20 volume rather than like 30 or 40 because they just damage your hair a lot more. But it's just hair. It's not that complicated. Like, it grows back.
It'll be fine.
As you guys can see, my roots are pretty crazy. I dyed it like 3 weeks ago, so it still has like a ton of pigment to it. I want to dye my hair like pink, so I'm kind of okay if there's like leftover purple in it, but I'm gonna mainly focus on bleaching like my roots and like maybe with whatever's left bringing it down a little bit, but I don't really want to bleach all of my hair because I don't want to damage it too bad. This kit comes with bleach, gloves, developer, and a shower cap, so you have everything you need right in here. Definitely do a strand test if you are new to this. And we'll see if I have to use 2 kits or not. I have pretty thick hair, so we will see. Guys, so this is my finished bleach hair. I think I did a really good job actually for once in my life. Last time I bleached my hair I did horrible, but it did really good. It did lift some of the splat hair dye out, which splat is one of the hardest dyes to get out, so I'm pretty impressed. As you guys can see, I mainly just did my roots and brought it down just a little bit. The ends are still really purple because I didn't try to bleach them because I knew that they were still heavily pigmented. Like, even the back I did pretty okay. Like, I'm really surprised at how good I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair video. I'm going to be doing more hair videos since I'm back into dyeing my hair, and I kind of want to be one of those people who dye their hair a different color like every month. I can't wait to dye my hair. I might be doing that today or might be doing it tomorrow. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to thumbs it up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.